Did you know when you eat raw grains that it actually steals nutrients out of your body? Hi, I am Caleb Fisher. I'm 11 years old and I am the treasurer for the Impact 4-H Carteret County Club in the Southeastern District. I have been in 4-H for 2 years and this is my first time doing a presentation. My presentation is called Soaking Grains. The reason I called it Soaking Grains is because my family likes to soak grains a lot, but I never knew the reason why. So I looked it up to see what I could find. Why and how to soak your grain? The main reason we need to soak our grain is because there's phytic acid. Phytic acid is a substance found in the bran of a grain. The bran is a protective shell around the outer layer found in the grain, and that's where the phytic acid is. But when you eat the grains that are raw, the phytic acid will go and cling onto all these vitamins and minerals and will block it so you cannot get them. But what's even worse is when you eat stuff that has phytic acid, it will not only take the vitamins and minerals in the food, but it will also take the vitamins and minerals in your body. So there's a big deal right there. It's taking vitamins and minerals, like everything good, out of your body. So the foods with the most phytic acid in it are number 1 are beans, number 2 is seeds, number 3 is nuts, and number 4 is grains. I would recommend soaking all beans, seeds, nuts, grains that you eat, because you're going to lose a lot of nutrients if you eat this. And I will show you how to soak it in a little bit. But first, I'm going to tell you the supplies needed. First, you need a cup of grains, Now you need a cup of water, a third cup of acidic medium. You may be asking, what is acidic medium? Well, acidic medium is either a lemon, yogurt, whey, kombucha, or vinegar. The purpose for acidic medium is to keep the bacteria from spreading. Just keep it so it'll keep the bad bacteria to a limit, and it will break down the phytic acid. It will take about 7 hours for the phytic acid to completely be gone. So that is the purpose for acidic medium. So we're just going to take a lemon and put it over here. Now you need a large bowl, but you can use a large bowl. I would recommend a large bowl. And a cloth. You can use pretty much any cloth that is like this. You can use like a rag. You can use anything with like that's cloth material. You are going to use that to put it over, but yeah. Steps to soak the grain. First, you need to pour the grains in it. Then you pour the water on top of the grains. Then you pour the acidic medium in. Now you gently stir it. And now you put the cloth on top and you set it and let it soak for 7 hours. Let me move this out of the way. So, the resources I found all this information were from www.wewebmd.com and www.blackpaint.sg and WestonAPrice.org. I would like to thank you for watching this, and if you have any questions, please contact me. And in conclusion, I would like to say, do not worry about phytic acid. Just relax and soak your grains. I titled my presentation as Soaking Grains because I have researched when you do not soak your grains, you are not getting the benefits that it says you do get. And I want you to get that from www.wewebmd.com, SG, and WestonAPrice.org.